Well?
Well, what?
When did you last see the deceased?
Well, I can't see it's any of your business, but it was 6 bells in the first watch.
Which means?
11 o'clock last night, of course.
Thank you, sir. Any advance on 11?
Well, you heard what he said. Any advance on 11?
I see. Can you think of any reason why anyone should want to do away with this officer, sir?
No, I can't. He was a most popular fellow, wasn't he? He was probably one of the most popular fellows on board.
Clearly, not with everyone, sir. Perhaps you can help me, sir. Did Lieutenant Compton have any enemies that you're aware of?
I don't think so.
Had he quarreled with anyone recently? Have there been any bad feeling?
Well, I couldn't really say.
Can anyone say? What about you, sir?
I had little to do with him. I don't know.
And you, Mr. Humbert?
Yes, well, all right. It's quite true that Compton and I haven't been getting on very well lately.
Really, sir?
Well, I'm sorry, Shirley, but it'll have to come out sooner or later. It was because Compton was always making up to Shirley. That is Miss Boston.
Eric?
You see, Shirley and I are more or less, engaged.
What?
Do you know what you're saying? Oh, but this is serious.
Yes, I quite agree, sir.
Yeah. In my ship, there is no, repeat, no, hanky-panky between the sexes. It is a golden rule of the trust, and we are bound to uphold it. By thunder, Humbert, you've got some explaining to do. Engaged to a woman. Explain, sir, explain.
Will you kindly let him, sir?